Keystone Dental Care was established in 1999 by local dentists to address the disparity in access to oral health care services by providing dental treatment, education, and home care instruction to low-income adult Tennesseans without dental insurance. Special outreach efforts include service to the homeless. Keystone Dental Care serves residents from 8 counties in Tennessee with volunteer and paid dental professionals in the region. Keystone Dental Care's mission is to prevent and alleviate pain, to provide basic dental services, to provide patient education, to alleviate oral disease. Keystone Dental Care services significantly impacts the long-term health of those served by preventing oral disease and pain. Imagine having a toothache and you cannot afford to go to the dentist. Imagine the pain. Imagine the chance of infection traveling to your brain or heart. This is what happens to hundreds of people in our area. They end up in the emergency room when what they really need is a dentist to care for their dental health issues.
I've been volunteering at Keystone since the clinic opened in 1999. I've just been real impressed with what we've been able to do in terms of equipment and the people that we've been able to serve. You know, we have a very nice clinic, very well furnished. And it's very satisfying to come in and see folks who've been in pain, have that pain relieved. Young mother's one of my favorite. She said that after she'd had her tooth taken out that she had so much energy she could clean the house and do all kinds of things.
One of the reasons why I volunteer at Keystone Dental Clinic is I've been very blessed. I've served in third world countries like Africa, South America, and Haiti, and realize that we have some of the same folks right here in our own neighborhood.
I have the privilege of being on the front end of Keystone Dental Care. I had a thriving practice in Carbondale, Illinois, and after much prayer, my wife and I decided that we need to move to Johnson City, where my daughter and son-in-law and 2 wonderful granddaughters lived. After I was here for a couple of years, Dr. Rebecca Nunley came up to me at a dental Christmas party and said, "Dr. Carnes, we're trying to get together a clinic for the poor and the homeless in Johnson City. Would you be interested?" Well, it just happened that a couple of months before that there'd been an article in the newspaper that Downtown Clinic was asked what its greatest need was. And they said that their greatest need was for dentists because they didn't have any way to treat them. They just had to put them on antibiotics and pain medication, and they would come back later with the same problem all over again. So I began to pray about that. Dr. Nunley's question was an answer to my prayer. Well, we met together and started a committee to see the feasibility, and after about 1 year of that, we incorporated and started Keystone Dental Care. Regional Health Department and the city gave us a space to use and remodel it so we could use it. So it's been a really wonderful journey. But right here in Johnson City, in Keystone Dental Care, I have seen dental situations that are as bad or worse as anything I ever saw in Mexico. The need is great.
You just don't realize how much pain people live with and suffer because of their teeth. So that's one of the things that's very satisfying about being able to be there and make a difference.
The clinic's equipment has been donated for the benefit of our patients. Through the generosity of many, the clinic is able to provide care for our patients.
We need other volunteers. You know, you can give us your time by volunteering, your talents, whatever they may be, and obviously your treasures, which we can put to great use. Please consider doing one of those 3 things to help the underserved and the homeless in our area.
Keystone Dental Care currently operates with a small paid staff and volunteers. Services are provided throughout the week, depending on the volunteer schedule. We rely on grants, donations, and minimal fees charged to patients. Keystone Dental Care needs your help to keep our doors open to serve the many needs of people in our region. Help us help those who are in need by your gifts or by volunteering your time.